Hey gamers! Welcome back! Today I'm bringing you the top 10 mobile games that are not only super popular worldwide, but also incredibly fun to play. If you're a mobile gamer, this list is for you. So let's jump right in. 1. PUBG Mobile, starting with one of the biggest names, PUBG Mobile. This battle royale game drops 100 players on an island, and only one survives as the winner. With amazing graphics, multiple maps, ranked matches, and team play, PUBG is a must-play for every gamer. 2. Call of Duty Mobile. Next up, Call of Duty Mobile, the perfect rival of PUBG. It's not just about Battle Royale. It also has modes like Team Deathmatch, Domination, and Search and Destroy. Smooth controls, powerful weapons, and the true card experience on your phone. 3. Clash of Clans. For strategy lovers, Clash of Clans is a classic. You build your village, train your army, and attack other players. Clan wars, defense building, and regular updates make it one of the most addictive strategy games ever. 4. Free Fire Arena. Free Fire is another battle royale that's perfect for low-end devices. With fast-paced matches, unique characters with special powers, and quick gameplay, it's ideal for players who don't want long matches. 5. Genshin Impact. Genshin Impact is an open-world RPG with breathtaking graphics and anime-style characters. The game is famous for its massive world to explore, engaging story, and action combat. If you love adventure and fantasy, this game is a masterpiece. 6. Among Us. Among Us took the world by storm during the pandemic. It's a social deduction game where you're either a crewmate or an imposter. The goal? Crewmates must complete tasks, while imposters eliminate everyone. Best played with friends, fun, suspense, and lots of laughs. 7. Asphalt 9. Legends. For racing fans, Asphalt 9 is legendary. Stunning cars, beautiful tracks, and high-speed racing action. The graphics are mind-blowing, and the multiplayer mode gives you endless competition. 8. Minecraft Mobile Edition. One of the most creative games ever, Minecraft. You can build, survive, and explore infinite worlds. Play solo or with friends, the possibilities are endless. This game lets your imagination run wild. 9. Candy Crush Saga. Who doesn't know Candy Crush Saga? It's one of the most played puzzle games in the world. Simple controls, thousands of colorful levels, and highly addictive gameplay. Perfect for casual gamers of all ages. 10. Subway Surfers. And finally, Subway Surfers. An endless runner game where you run across train tracks, collect coins, and escape the police. Colorful graphics, simple controls, and super fast action make it a classic. So that's our list of the top 10 mobile games you should definitely try in 2025. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time, happy gaming!